Imagine yourself amidst the ancient city of Babylon, its markets bustling with merchants and its streets alive with the sounds of commerce. Within this vibrant city lies the timeless wisdom of The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, a collection of parables offering profound insights into wealth and prosperity. Join us as we journey through each chapter, weaving together the stories and financial lessons hidden within. Chapter 1. The Man Who Desired Gold. Our journey begins with Arkad, a humble scribe with dreams of wealth. Despite his meager earnings, Arkad possesses a burning desire to break free from the shackles of poverty. Seeking guidance, he turns to Algamish, the wealthiest man in Babylon, who imparts to him a simple yet powerful lesson. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. Through this lesson, Arkad learns the importance of saving and investing a portion of his income. He commits to setting aside 10% of his earnings, a practice that eventually leads to his transformation from a penniless scribe to the richest man in Babylon. The first step towards wealth is saving and investing a portion of your income. By consistently setting aside a portion of what you earn and putting it to work through wise investments, you can accumulate wealth over time. Chapter 2. Meet the Goddess of Good Luck. In this chapter, we meet Dabasir, a talented musician who dreams of fame and fortune. One day, as he performs in the market square, he catches the attention of a wealthy merchant who offers him an opportunity to perform at a banquet. Recognizing the potential for success, Dabasir seizes the opportunity and delivers a captivating performance that earns him fame and fortune overnight. Luck often favors those who are prepared to seize opportunities. While luck may play a role in financial success, it is ultimately our preparedness and willingness to take action that determine our fate. Chapter 3. 7 Cures for a Lean Purse. Arkad shares his wisdom with his fellow Babylonians through the 7 Cures for a Lean Purse, a set of principles designed to guide them towards financial abundance. Each cure offers practical advice for achieving lasting wealth, from living below one's means to investing in income-generating assets. One of the most important cures is the principle of "make thy gold multiply," which emphasizes the importance of investing wisely to grow your wealth. By putting your money to work through sound investments, you can accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Investing is essential for building wealth. By putting your money to work through wise investments, you can grow your wealth exponentially over time. Chapter 4. The Clay Tablets from Babylon. The story of Bansir and Kabi illustrates the dangers of financial ignorance and the transformative power of knowledge. When Bansir loses his wealth due to a series of poor investments, he turns to Arkad for guidance. Arkad imparts to him the importance of financial education and the dangers of squandering his resources. Financial education is essential for making informed decisions about money. By learning the principles of wealth building and investing, you can avoid common pitfalls and make wise choices that lead to financial success. Chapter 5. The 5 Laws of Gold. Arkad introduces us to the 5 Laws of Gold, fundamental principles that govern the acquisition and preservation of wealth. These laws provide a blueprint for building and maintaining prosperity, from protecting your principal investment to seeking counsel from knowledgeable advisors. One of the most important laws is the principle of "guard thy treasures from loss," which emphasizes the importance of protecting your wealth from risky investments and speculative ventures. Protecting your wealth is just as important as building it. By avoiding risky investments and safeguarding your assets, you can ensure long-term financial security. Chapter 6. The Gold Lender of Babylon. The story of Mathan demonstrates the importance of ethical conduct in financial transactions. When faced with a moral dilemma, Mathan chooses to uphold his integrity and treat his clients fairly, earning their trust and respect in the process. Honesty and integrity are essential for building lasting relationships and achieving long-term success in business. By treating others fairly and ethically, you can earn their trust and build a reputation for integrity. Chapter 7. The Walls of Babylon. Arkad draws parallels between Babylon's formidable walls and the protection of one's wealth. Just as the city's defenses shield its inhabitants from external threats, so too must individuals safeguard their assets from the risks of financial mismanagement and economic downturns. Financial security requires diligent planning, prudent risk management, and a long-term perspective. By taking steps to protect your wealth and mitigate risks, you can ensure a stable financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Chapter 8. The Camel Trader of Babylon. The downfall of the camel trader serves as a cautionary tale of greed and recklessness. By succumbing to the temptation of quick riches and speculative investments, the camel trader ultimately loses everything he has worked for. Financial success is not measured by the size of one's bank account, but by the wisdom of one's decisions and the integrity of one's character. By avoiding greed and practicing prudence in your financial affairs, you can achieve lasting prosperity and fulfillment. In conclusion, The Richest Man in Babylon offers timeless wisdom and practical advice for achieving financial success and prosperity. By applying the lessons learned from Arkad and his fellow Babylonians, you can take control of your finances and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you for joining us on this journey through The Richest Man in Babylon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Until next time, may your pursuit of wealth be guided by wisdom, prudence, and the unwavering determination to achieve your financial goals.